Marami pong mga estudyante or mga bagong dating sa Australia na gustong pumasok sa industriya ng healthcare, ng aged care, pero they are afraid how to start and where to start. Ano po ma-advise niyo doon?
Siyempre, kailangan na ng certificate kasi that's a requirement. It's a mandatory requirement ng government and everyone who works in aged care kailangan merong qualification. Second is, kailangan talaga, when they do the placement sa may course nila na yun, na talagang they're very proactive at inaalam talaga nila how does it work. Tapos, if they given a chance, mag-apply sila sa mga nursing home, may mga bakante. Normally naman, pag ikaw nag-placement ka, if you really did well, sa totoo lang, in the facility where I'm working, I think maybe 60% nun. Dati kong student for placement. They did really well during the placement and nakita ko kung gaano sila ka-hardworking, then I absorbed them. Pag nag-apply sila, tanggapin ko na kagad yun. Kaya plus factor sa akin yung mga nag-student placement ka sa work ko. Kasi during that time, I observed people. Kapag if they doing really well, ang sipag naman itong bata na to, pag nag-apply siya, I will take that one straight away. Parang ganon.